How to connect PayPal to Gelato. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this Gelato's tutorial, you would learn how you can connect PayPal to Gelato. So the first step is to log into your Gelato account, just like I've done here. Then once you're on the dashboard, move to the top right corner and then click on your profile icon. After doing that, in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you click on billing. And by clicking on billing, select payment, which is the third option here. By selecting payments, you'll be taken to the payments page. If after trying the payments page is not loading, there's no need to fear. Just click on your profile picture again and click on subscriptions. Then select a subscription that you would like to upgrade to. Alright. Click on start free trial, click get free trial. Alright. And then you see the option for you to add new payment method. So as you can see that, click on continue and then you'll be brought to the next page. So on this page, next step will be for you to scroll down, but you can see PayPal and Pay on here. So click on PayPal. By clicking on PayPal, you would wait for the page to load. So press the yellow PayPal button as instructed, and then a mini box will be displayed on the screen. Alright, so let's click on that again. So once the mini box is displayed on the screen, permission will be required from you for you to connect your PayPal account to your Gelato account. Go ahead, log in into your PayPal account, grant the permission, and then just like that, your Gelato account would be linked to your PayPal account. It will be connected to your PayPal account as a means of payment. This is basically how you can connect PayPal to Gelato. So go ahead to try this out. Thank you for watching and have a good day. And also, if perhaps after doing this you still do not get it, you can just reach out to the customer support and you'll be further directed on what to do. Thank you for watching.